How to unforget a Bluetooth device on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Guide Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can unforget or reconnect a Bluetooth device to your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to reconnect a Bluetooth device, first thing first, simply go ahead and open up the settings app from a device and then go ahead and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth is enabled from here. And once you're here, you'll get to see two different sections. First one is My Devices and the second one is Other Devices. In the My Devices, you'll get to see all the devices that are connected before. And in the Other Devices, he'll get to see it's searching, so that means it's searching for new devices. So he'll get to see, first thing first, I'm going to tap on this connected device. I'm going to tap on this I button and let's forget this device first. And once you have forget this device, now to reconnect the device, he'll get to see it's searching, but it's not getting the device. So if you get the device right over here, you can tap on this one, or if you don't find this one, it can be a earbuds or any Bluetooth device. So every Bluetooth device has a dedicated power button, so you can actually press and hold that one for about 10 seconds and this will be actually resetted, or it will get into the pairing mode, and right after that you'll get to see the device is visible right here. And as you can see, I actually have turned my earbuds to the pairing mode and it's being showing up right here. So if I tap on this one, it will take a little time and this will be added to my Bluetooth list. And this is how you actually can unforget or reconnect a Bluetooth device on your iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.